Hi, video 2. Let's see what's on our project list. Let's analyze your descriptive statistics. Okay, let's go to analysis. Your descriptive statistics are going to be from row 3 through row 38. Okay, let's do race ethnicity first. This one's a little different because each of these is its own column. And it's basically a one or null. So one means they selected that, null means they did not. So these are going to be count functions. Remember, these are nominal variables. We can only count. So equals count if parentheses. Go over to variable. I'm sorry, I'm going to go to data. I'm going to find the column that's white, AP. So AP. So I'm going to count all the ones. So I'm going to say comma 1 parentheses. Okay. Hispanic. Same equals count if parentheses. Go over to analysis, data, find that column, AQ, highlight it, comma, 1, close parentheses, okay, etc. Okay, percent of sample. There's a couple ways to do this. I'll give you the cheat code. If you look at our data, you have 133, because remember the top row is a header. Okay. So you can do this with equals, click on that column, divided by 133. And then we want to change that to percent. So I highlight and I go up on the menu bar and I click the percent button. Usually this we do no decimals. And I can pull that down. Now, this is a percent of our total. It does not, so therefore it's including people who did not tell us, they left it blank. Different ways to think about that. Okay. Gender is a little bit different. Okay, I'll let you do the rest of race ethnicity. Gender equals count if parentheses. I go to my data tab, find the gender column. Okay, highlight it, AN, comma. Oops. I screwed up. Let me try it again. Equals. Where's my cursor? Come back to me. Equals count if parentheses. Go to data, find my gender column, AN, I highlight it, comma. Okay, I think I'm counting male here. So the easiest way is to come over here and click on male. Okay. And as long as it matches, that will work. And the beauty is I can drag it down. There we go. And you can do percent of sample the same way. Well, I just copied and pasted above because it's the same formula. Okay. Descriptive statistics. So for problem solving, okay, so these are our coping strategies. Oops, I skipped. Let's do our stressors first. Okay. So N is how many people. So here we really want to know only the people we have data for. So not everybody, because some people skipped that. Okay, so we're gonna do a count function equals count. Again, there's a couple ways to do this. I like to do a count. I think which is easier for you. Okay, count if, so more accurate. Parentheses. And go over to data, find my work related, which is going to be in yellow. Will be in yellow. It's in column I, comma. Okay. So I highlight column I, comma. So I want to know everywhere that has a number here. So basically anything that's greater than 0. So quotation marks, something I've never understood that you use quotation marks when you use greater than less than, but you do. Okay. Greater than symbol 0 in your quotation marks. Okay, so 119 of our 100, was it 31 or something, filled that out. Okay. I would do that for family equals count if parentheses, go to data, family stress, which is column J, comma, quotes greater than 0 in quotes, parentheses. Okay, I'll let you do the rest. Okay, mean score, capital M for mean, which is average. This one's going to be super simple, equals average, parentheses, and go to data, go to my work related, play that column I, piece of cake. Okay, the blank cells are not going to bother anything, so you don't even need to worry about them. We do want this to be 2 decimal places, so I'm going to go up to my top where I see decreased decimal places. I'll do that for financial, average, parentheses, data, sorry, family. I think this is family. Yep. Okay. Column J. Okay. That's it. Again, reduce my decimal places. Voila. Standard deviation, same thing, equals STDEV, parentheses. I'm doing work related first, column I. Okay. Reduce our decimal places down to 2. Family equals STDEV, parentheses. And go to data, column J. And you can do the rest of this. Okay. Coping strategy is the same thing. I'll do one of them for you. Equals count if, parentheses, data. Find my first one. I highlight it, column Y, comma, quotation marks, greater than 0, quotation marks, in parentheses, 128. Cognitive structuring, it's count if, parentheses, okay. Column Z, comma, quotation marks, greater than 0, quotation marks, bingo. Mean scores equals average, parentheses. Okay, problem solving. Cognitive restructuring equals average. Standard deviation, STDEV. Formatting. Do it for cognitive restructuring. Clean up the formatting. Oops. I won't print. That's not what I meant to do. Go away. Cancel. There you go. You can do the rest of this. Our well-being and motivation to graduate. Okay. Same idea. Now you're going to have to first, I didn't do this in the first video, but you need to calculate the well-being, which is going to be the average of these first 5. Remember, you've got some blanks in here, so you're going to have to nest that if-then statement. Same for motivation to graduate. Right. That concludes your descriptive statistics video. Let me know if you have any questions.